All right, guys, we got another lock here from the Waiting for the Right Tool box. This is a Kryptonite Keeper. This is about a $40 lock. Comes with an integrated chain. Kind of cool model. I think it's 785. This one, again, is a little bit different. If you took a knife and cut off this plastic, then the Chinese tool would be able to reach probably the tensioner without too much trouble. But I don't like to modify the lock. I like to use an existing tool. And again, I'm sticking with the one that lockpicking lawyer and I designed and put together, the prototype, with the adjustable nose on it. So let's go ahead and try to pick this one. It is a brand new lock. This is what the key looks like. It does work perfectly. And this is how the locking mechanism works. You notice this rubber thing around that chain slides into that slot. And then when you rotate the key, that locking shackle rotates between the link to hold it in place. So pretty strong, very simple design. And let's get this dude back open, put him back together, and see if we can't get him picked with this new tool. That ought to do it. All right, first thing I'm going to do, take my broken tensioner and rotate all those discs as far counterclockwise as I can get them to line them all up. And that way my tool will fit in there pretty smoothly. Line up my tip with those two tensioning prongs so I don't do it like that and twist them off. And I think that nose is about right. Line him up and slide him in there. And I don't have to damage, come on, there we go. I don't have to damage any of that plastic. It's just looks like it's rubbing against it, but you can see there's plenty of clearance inside of there. All right, let's see what we got. Pull them all the way out and let's try to get this dude picked. Apply some tension. And I'll tell you what, I'm going to hold him like this, and I'm going to put my finger there to kind of control this guy. A little bit of drag. It's pretty loose, and if I let him go, he could fall. So I want to put my finger there to kind of index him. Hence the index finger. All right, there appears to be a binder, first one. Now these discs are punched, so they're rounded off. Sometimes they're a little trouble to get on to keep your tip on. I'm going to stay right there. Wow, he's really bound. And sometimes they're a little gritty. I think that was it. Yeah, I'll take it. Find the next one. I'll take it. Try to line up the next one right there. Now he's a little loose. I don't think he was really ready yet. So I'll put him back. Let's go back up the top. Come on. Got to get him between the discs in order to rotate him. Come on. All right, let's see what we got. I think that one is picked. That one feels picked, like he's in the gate. There may be more than one gate. Let me just try it. He's really grinding. I think that's the gate. Wow, we got a very deep fault set. So deep, in fact, that we have an open. So there you go, guys. With the right tools for the job, it was not that big of a job, was it? Kryptonite Keeper, 40 bucks. Even as easy as it was, I got to say it's probably a pretty good lock for that kind of price. Appreciate your time, guys. Stay safe. Stay legal.